Today's going to be a tutorial on how I go from this to this. I'm going to show you how to achieve loose beach waves. I'm using a 1 1/4 inch curling iron. Any size you have actually may work. If you have a smaller barrel, I would suggest not holding onto your hair and the curling iron for too long. So I first like to section off my hair. I don't have much hair. My hair is actually quite fine. It might appear a little bit thicker right now. It's because I let my hair air dry after washing it. I never leave my house looking like this. I mean, it's not the worst, but that's not how I normally like to step out of my house looking like. Either my hair is straightened, or I have my hair curled, or it's up in a bun or in a ponytail. Okay, so let's section off my hair. I like to split it up in half. Obviously, if you have more hair, then you may need to split it up into more sections. But it's here, and I just clip it out of the way. I like to also split it down the middle from the back here and pull it forward. And then I start with the hairs in the back. So I take maybe about an 1.5 inches at a time. So starting here, I don't know whether you can see this. So I kind of just start wrapping the hair around. I pull it up, pull it down, and then I don't curl all the way to the end. I keep that end piece straight. Pull it out, and then just let it go. But while I let it down, I kind of pull it to kind of straighten it out a little bit more. That way it's less curly, and then I throw it back. And then now the second piece, grab about the same amount of hair, and instead of going away from the face, now I'm going to go forward. And you do want to alternate while you're doing this. Starting again from the back. If you prefer starting from the front, you can do that, but this is how I usually work with my hair. I start from the back and then I move to the front. This is actually the shortest length of hair that I've had in a very long time. Normally my hair would be maybe halfway down my back, even a little bit more so. But I bleached my hair so many times in the last couple of years that I thought it was about time to chop that crap off. It was so fried, so dead, but I kept hanging on to those little scraggly strands, those scraggly strands. Yeah, I finally decided to let it go. Obviously my hair is still bleached, but I'm a little bit more careful with that now. The section here that I've already curled, I tie this part back loosely. That way it doesn't interfere with the rest of the hair that still needs to be curled. Cute little rat tail. and then let this part here down. And this upper section as well, I also like to split it down the middle. And now we will work on the rest of the hair. So I kind of want to do the same thing, around about 1 inch to 1.5 inches of hair. Starting from the back again. And then these pieces in the front, they're all going to go away from my face. And then we continue the same on the other side. Is done. Now I remove the ponytail from underneath here. So it's super curly. I personally don't like this look for me. Find that for my face shape, because it's quite round, actually very round, quite round, very round. I prefer looser waves. So this is my hair once it's all been curled. I do like to leave it sitting like this while I do my makeup. So most of the time I do my hair first and then I do my makeup last. But for the sake of this video, I put my face on before curling my hair. And I like to set it with this. It's Garnier Fructis Texture Tease Spray. It holds, lifts, and it adds a little bit of texture. So with some hairsprays, when you spray it on, it gets a little bit crunchy. But with this, it doesn't leave that crunchy spray, but it still holds very well. And it smells so good. So once I spray it, I let it sit for a little bit. I run my fingers through my hair. So for example, I kind of just shake it through, but I don't do it too much because I still want a little bit of separation. And then you kind of just adjust the top, adjust the back. Thank you so much for watching my first hair tutorial. If you guys enjoyed it and would like to see more, please give my video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to get notifications of more videos from me. See you next time.